Hello everyone, I am back with a new video. See, there has been several demands by several students to make different videos, but in this short time it is not possible to make videos of all the topics. I am very much sorry for especially the ICSE students who have exam just after few hours, and I could not post more videos for ICSE class 10 term 2 examination. Okay, so as I said you, I have got very little time to do the videos, so today I managed to take some time and make a video. That is, you can see from the topic, circles for term 2 examinations. As I said, you have just after few hours of ICSE examination, so it is of no use for them. So the CBSE students, especially the CBSE students who will have your exam on 5th May, will get some time, at least some time to just revise these topics. Okay, I hope till now you know many things about circles because you have read for 5-6 months. So just and one more thing, what you have in your syllabus, a reduced syllabus of circles, you have just the 2 theorems to prove. You know how to prove. I hope all can prove. You know the theorem and all can prove. I think between these 2 prove, one may come in an exam. Okay, and now today I will just go for some solution of some problems on circles. Okay, some problems on circles based on these 2 theorems. Okay, not others. Based on these 2 theorems, we will solve just a few maths. If the class will go long, then I will post 2 videos, and if the class will stop here, then within 1 video I will complete some of the solutions. Okay, so let us write the 2 theorem first. Okay, let us write the 2. You know very well. Still I am writing. Based on these 2 theorems, we will solve few problems on circles. Okay, this will be useful for CBSE term 2 examination. Okay, for this year 2022, which will be on 5th May. See, theorem 1. These 2 theorems are in your syllabus. I am writing. Okay. The tangent, first theorem of what? The tangent at any point, the tangent at any point, that means any point, okay, on a circle. I am not going to prove the theorem, okay, you know it very well, it is there in any book, even in your NCERT book it is explained clearly, okay, and throughout the 6 months or 5 months you have read this one very nicely, okay. Just I will solve some problems based on the theorems, good problems based on these theorems. Okay, the tangent at any point on a circle is, you know very well what it is, perpendicular to the radius of the circle through the point of contact. Okay, you know what? The tangent. What? The tangent at any point on a circle is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. Just I am drawing. I will not prove. Just I will tangent at any point. Suppose this is tangent. Okay, it will be perpendicular to the radius of the circle. Where? Through the point of contact. That means at this point it will be perpendicular. Okay, so I am not going to prove it. Now what will be the second theorem? What is the second theorem that is in your reduced syllabus? What is the second theorem? The tangents, this time plural, okay, the tangents drawn from an external point, to a circle are equal. Okay, now I am showing you how to do this one. See, this is a circle, this is the external point. Okay, this is the external point, name it is P, and from this external point, suppose the tangents are drawn. See, the tangents drawn from an external point means one external point. Suppose these two are the tangents. Okay, suppose these two are the tangents. Okay, then what will be? These two will be equal. That is, suppose name here PA, PB. Then what will be? PA equal to P equals to PB. Okay, the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So these two theorems are there in your reduced syllabus. You know it very well because you have gone through this. The proof is also there in the syllabus. We are going to solve few problems based on these theorems. So see, you know our board is small. So if the problem goes big, I will not write the theorem in the bracket. Okay, just I will put theorem 1. Theorem 1 means you will understand this, and theorem 2 means you will understand this. Okay, just you will understand what I will not write the theorem because it will take a lot of space in the bracket I write. Okay, then I am taking it up. Right. PC plus. Okay, I read in the question diagram I have already drawn. See, my diagrams are not so good. I am not good in drawing. Okay, so don't laugh or don't make some joke with the diagrams. Okay, see, in the figure 1.1. Okay, name this figure 1.1. This type of problems are very important because I have chosen these problems based on the theorems, whatever is there in the syllabus. Okay, so you should focus. You have still 2-3 days left for your exam, 3 days maybe. In the figure 1.1, PA and PB are tangents. PA and PB, clearly you can see these are tangents to the circle from an external point P. From where the tangents are drawn, the external point is P. CD is another tangent touching the circle. See, CD is, clearly you can see, CD is another tangent touching the circle at Q. Where it is touching the circle, that means Q is the point of contact here. Okay, Q is the point of contact. Touching this CD tangent is touching this circle at the point Q. Now see, PA 12 cm, it is already given. That means P and A, PA, this distance, this length is given 12 cm. QC, that means this one, QC and QD both are same. That is 3 cm. Finished. You can understand. Find PC plus PD. PC plus PD. That means you have to find out PC and PD, and then you should add both. Okay. Now see, from where you start. See, now this one, let us start this one. See, this PA and PB are tangents already said. So this will be equal. Why? This will be equal. Why? See, now only I said, now only just, I will not write the theorem. I said no. What? Tangents drawn from an external point are equal. First time writing, when from next time I will write theorem 2. Okay. Now only I said tangents drawn from an external point are equal in length. Okay, that is equals to what? 12 centimeter. Okay, that means PA equals to PB equals to 12 centimeter. Okay, now again you can see. Now see, C is here external point. See C, and see CA and CQ. These are tangents. These are also tangents. See, clearly see. This is a circle. Let us think C is an external point. Okay, not think it is already an external point. See C, and see this CA and CQ are tangents. CA and CQ are tangents. Where? On the circle. So see, CA will be equals to CQ. What will be the reason? Same reason. Okay. What is the same reason? The tangents drawn from an external point are equal. That is, the tangents drawn from the same external point to the same circle are equal. See, same external point and to the same circle, two tangents are drawn. What? One is CA, one is CQ. Equal. Reason is same. Okay. One more thing. See, from here, same thing. D is one external point, and see this DB, that is DB or BD, and one is QD. See, these two will be equal. Why? Because tangents drawn from the external point, that is D, will be equal. See again, what you are getting here? DB equals to DQ. Reason is same. Okay, so many things we have got from here. Okay, now see what will be the value of PC. PC will be equals to PA minus PC. See PC, this portion. You can see P and C. This portion will be equal to PA, this much full, minus this AC. Okay, minus AC. We have got both the values. PA how much? 12 centimeter, and AC already given. AC equal to CQ. How much? CQ means 3 centimeter, and QD, this will also be 3 centimeter. Okay, clearly given. See, CA equal to CQ, and CQ means 3. Now it will be 3 centimeter. How much it will be then? 9 centimeter. Okay, now how much? You can easily find out PD. PD how much? PD will be equals to similarly PB minus this much, minus DB. Clearly understand? PB how much? PB is equals to 12. Same thing. 12 centimeter. I think same value will come. DB is 3. Same value will come. That is equals to 9 centimeter. So we are almost done. Math is almost done. Now to find out PC plus PD. Therefore you write PC plus PD equals to 9 centimeter plus 9 centimeter equals to 18 centimeter. Okay, this type of maths you can get for 2 marks in your examination. But you have to write this theorem in the bracket. Okay, how you have got P equal to PB? No, don't write simply P equal to PB. You have to write the reason also, how, why you have got. So based on these 2 theorems which were given in your syllabus, I have done one simple math. It is very easy for you, but many of you will go by reading the theorem only. That's why I am solving a few maths. Okay, those who are still weak, means those who have still chance of getting good marks out of 40. Okay, so clearly this one. So I will go a little bit tougher now. Okay, very easy math, very easy. Okay, see these circles for term 2 examination, this I am going to rub anymore. I am not keeping anymore. Okay, I am rubbing. Okay, so the topic I am rubbing because there is no place. This math is small, so anyhow I adjust it, but if next time it will be bigger, then I cannot adjust it. Okay, so I am rubbing it. I hope easily you can understand. Suppose you have got some kind of problem anywhere, then you just go back and look the video. Okay, everything is clear. I said the theorem in the beginning, and that theorem only we are using in solving. Okay, I am rubbing both. I am rubbing off. Meter of triangle APQ. So the question is short. See, I am reading the question. Why? Because you know, suppose you can't see, then at least you can hear me what I am saying. Okay, and don't laugh with that diagram I said you earlier only. If AB, AC, PQ are tangents in figure 1.2, I have drawn the figure, I have named it figure number 1.2. And if AB, AC, PQ are tangents in figure 1.2, and AB, only the value of AB is given. AB is equals to 5 centimeter. AB equals to 5 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the triangle APQ. See, now I am going in the question. I am going in the diagram. AB. See, this is AB. You can see clearly A and B. This is the tangent. See, B is the point of contact where it is touching the circle. Okay. AC is the tangent. You can see. C is the point of contact. That means C is the point where it is touching where the tangent is touching the circle. And see, PQ is one more tangent that is also touching the circle at X. That means X is the point of contact of the circle. Okay, that means X is the point of contact of the tangent to the circle. Okay, finished. And only one value is given, that is AB. What do you have to find? We have to find the perimeter. That means perimeter means AP plus PQ plus AQ. Perimeter means all side plus of the triangle AP plus PQ plus AQ. This we have to find out. But how? We have to find out the value of AP, you have to find out the value of AQ, you have to find out the value of PQ. Okay? But how we will find? We have given only one value. So let us use theorem. You know what theorem we will use? Theorem 2, which we have used now only in the earlier, in the number 1 math. What we have used? That theorem will use. See, this one I am not going to explain anymore. See, P is one external point. So see, this PB and PX will be same. And see here, Q was external point. Q is one external point. So QX and QC will be same. So everything is same. I am not going to explain anymore. Okay. And see, AB and AC, you know, it will be equal. Why? Because tangents drawn from an external point are equal. See. So we know what we know. AB equals to AC, ये दोनों सेम होगा. And one more what? This PB equals to PX. PB equals to PX. Why? P is one external point and these two are the tangents drawn on the same circle. PB equals to PX. And one more what? And one more what? QX equal to QC. QX equals to QC. What is the reason? We will give all the three. What the same reason is there? What? Tangents drawn from an external point to a circle, that means to the same circle, are equal. Okay, now just proceed to find the perimeter of triangle APQ. Now you see perimeter of triangle APQ. What will be? I said you know from your early classes, AP plus a PQ plus AQ. Okay, AP plus PQ plus AQ. You know this one easily. Now just you break it. AP plus C. PQ we can break it into PX and XQ. Why? Because we know that this kind of values. Okay, PX and XQ. You know these are. This can be broken. Okay, so PX and plus XQ. You know already these are broken. See PX, XQ or XQ. So I have broken it. Okay, and plus AQ. Now you see AP plus in place of PX, we can write this value PB. See, PX means PB. You know it earlier. You can write PB. Okay, and in place of XQ means QX. You can write QC. You can write QC plus AQ. Now just you keep this in a bracket. Okay. Here only you keep in bracket. Now see AP plus PB. What AP plus PB? See AP plus PB. Clearly you can write AP plus PB equals to AB and QC plus AQ. QC this one and AQ this one. This will be equals to AC. Understand? See QC plus AQ. This will be QC and this will be AQ. This together will be AC. Now what is the value of AB? I think we have got this one. You have got 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. And AB equals to AC. That means this will also be 5. This will also be 5. So we have got 10 centimeter answer. So it is taking just one. I am teaching you, then it will take 2-3 minutes. If you do, then it will take only 1 minute. See? Simply. I am explaining it again and again. Then also it is taking 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I am explaining the question also. So you can do this type of math easily. I am not wasting the time. I am starting the new math. Okay. I have already drawn the diagram. This will be A, this will be B, C. Now in front of you there is little different kind of question, but it is based on your theorem. Whatever the theorem is there in your syllabus. Little different. 3 simple problems I have solved. Now little different math. See, taken up 1.4, there are 2 concentric circles. That means 2 circles are there. See, with center O. Both circles center is O. You can see concentric circles, the center will be same only. Of radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. You can easily know which will be 3 and which will be 5. The bigger one radius will be what? 5. This will be 5. OA will be 5 and OB will be, this will be say 3. Okay. OA will be 5 and OB will be 3. I am writing it. Okay. OA will be equals to 5 centimeter and OB equals to 3 centimeter. Okay. From an external point P, this is the external point P. You can clearly see tangents P and PB are drawn. PA and PB are drawn to these circles. That means PA is drawn to the bigger circle and PB is drawn on the smaller circle. Okay. If AP, that means AP, this value is 12 centimeter. Find the length of BP. So simple. Everything is simple. We have to find the value of BP. But this time we can't use that for theorem that tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Why? Because the tangents from an external point should be drawn on the same circle, but see here the tangents are drawn on the 2 different circles. See, PA is drawn on the bigger circle. Oh sorry, I have used the words triangle. Then I am sorry, it will be circle. By mistake I have said. Okay, now see, from once again I am saying So we can't use that theorem. Why? Because the two tangents are drawn on two different circles. Okay. PA is drawn on the bigger circle and PB is drawn on the smaller circle. But our theorem is what? The tangents from an external point will be equal, but it should be drawn on the same circle. But here it is drawn on the different circle. So what? These we can't use that theorem. Okay. So PA and PB will not be equal. So I have to use some different thing. Okay. Now see. Now let us join OP. Okay. Let us join this OP. Okay. Just dotted lines have joined OP. Okay. Now see, OA is 5. This one means 5, and this is AP already given. So AOP is a triangle, we can see, and it will be a right triangle. Why? Because OA is perpendicular to AP. Now I am writing. Okay. Now OA is perpendicular to AP. Why? This is from the first theorem. What? Tangent on a circle will be perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Understand? This is the first theorem which I have said you at the beginning of the class. Okay, see what? See, this OA will be perpendicular to AP. Why? Because AP is either you can say OA will be perpendicular or you can say AP will be perpendicular, anything. Okay, because AP is a tangent on a circle. This is a circle will be perpendicular to the radius, and you know this OA is a radius through the point of contact. This is the point of contact. A is the point of contact. That means AP will be perpendicular to OA or OA will be perpendicular to AP. That means what? OA is perpendicular. That means that is what? OAP is a right angled triangle. Okay, that is OP is a right angled triangle. Okay, so you know in a right angled triangle, you know what is the theorem? By Pythagoras theorem or Pythagoras theorem, we get, see, which will be hypotenuse? This OP will be hypotenuse because this is perpendicular, this will be base. Okay, that means OP square is equal to AP square plus OA square. Okay, so OP square will be how much? That will be AP square means 12 square plus 5 square. Okay, because OA value you also know and AP value also you know how much? 12. Okay, right here AP equals to 12 centimeter. Okay, what will be 144 plus 25? That will be 169 centimeter square. Okay, write there centimeter. Write the centimeter. Okay. Now therefore OP will be how much? 113 centimeter. Okay, root over, and you can't here plus minus because minus cannot be the length of a side. Okay, so it will be 13 centimeter. This OP you can get 13 centimeter. Now see, here one more triangle is there, OBP. No need to write all this because we know what will be. I am saying in mouth. Okay, this OB will be perpendicular to BP. Okay, why? You know, I am writing it now. Okay, I write it in this box because no place. Now OP will be perpendicular to BP. Reason will be same. Now from right triangle, say OBP. OBP we get what we get? Same by using Pythagoras theorem. What do you get? OP square. No, OP square will be equals to OB square plus BP square. Okay. Now see, you know here OP square how much? 169 equals to OB square how much? That will be 9. See 3 square, no? That will be 9. Okay, I am writing here. 3 square equals to BP square. That means BP square equals to will be 169 minus 9 equals to 160. That means BP will be equals to 160 root over. Okay, that will be equals to 160 root over means, okay, I forgot to write the centimeter. Okay, right, here it will be centimeter square, here also it will be centimeter square. 160 means 4 into, what, I will shortcut it, 4 4 is 16 0, 4 10s are 40, 2 5s are, that means 4 into 4 into 2 into 5, 4 into 4 into 2 into 5. Okay, now you see 2 4 are there inside the root over, so 1 4 will come out and this 10 will be inside, that means 4 root over 10 centimeter. The value of BP is 4, I am writing here. Okay, the, sorry, not value, length of BP is 4 root over 10 centimeter. I have written very means small, so you just make the video quality higher and see. Okay, otherwise you can't see this portion. Okay, and if you can't see also, suppose, then you can just listen to my voice and just you try to solve yourself, write the question, draw the diagram and try to solve yourself. Answer will be 4 root over 10 centimeter. If you can't see up to here, then no problem. This will be similar to this only. Yeah? That's why I have not written most of the things here. Okay. Okay. So I have, in this valuable time, in this exam time, I am managing my time and posting the videos. So I hope you all will see and like the videos. I hope I can, if I get time, I will put more videos on this topic only tomorrow. Okay, before the exam only, no problem. Before 5th May I will post, that means 3rd May I will post, 3rd or 4th May. Okay, so at least you can see half an hour or 20 minutes and go for the exam. Statistics video I have fully uploaded. Within this short time I am uploading this circle also. Okay, thank you very much.